Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Certainly, mosaic pots are a fantastic way to add color and personality to your garden or outdoor space. Here are some creative mosaic pot designs ideas to inspire your gardening projects. Tile mosaic pots. Use colorful ceramic tiles to cover the surface of your pots, create geometric patterns, abstract designs, or even mosaic pictures on the pots. You can mix and match tile colors and shapes for a visually striking effect. Broken china mosaic pots. Repurpose broken china or porcelain dishes to create mosaic designs on your pots. These pieces can add a touch of vintage charm to your garden. Glass bead mosaic pots. Adorn your pots with glass beads or gems. These reflective surfaces can catch the sunlight and create a dazzling display. You can use a single color or create intricate patterns with various shades. Sea glass mosaic pots. Collect sea glass from the beach and use it to create a beach themed mosaic on your pots. The soothing color and smooth textures of sea glass can evoke a coastal ambience. Stained glass mosaic pots. Incorporate stained glass pieces into your mosaic design. The translucent quality of stained glass can add a touch of elegance and light of your garden. Mirror mosaic pots. Cover your pots with small mirror pieces to create a mirrored mosaic effect. This will not only reflect the surrounding greenery but also add a touch of glamour to your garden. Nature inspired mosaics. Create mosaic design that reflect the natural world, such as flowers, leaves, birds, or butterflies. These nature-themed pots can blend seamlessly with your garden's environment. Abstract mosaic art. Let your creativity run wild with abstract mosaic design. Combine various shapes, colors, and materials to create unique and visually stimulating pots. Broken inspired mosaic pots. Embrace the intricate pattern and rich colors of Moroccan design on your pots. These exotic motifs can add a touch of the Mediterranean to your garden. Tropical paradise pots. Using mosaic designs inspired by tropical landscapes, including lush foliage, exotic fruits, and vibrant wildlife. These pots can transport you to a tropical oasis. Monochromatic mosaic pots. Create a sophisticated look by sticking to a single color palette for your mosaic pots. Different shades of the same color can add depth and elegance to your garden. Bespoke personalization. Customize, customize your mosaic pots with initials, names, or meaningful quotes. These personalized pots can make great gift or add a personal touch to your outdoor space. Seasonal mosaic pots. Change the mosaic design on your pots with the seasons. Incorporate seasonal colors, motifs, or holiday themes to keep your garden fresh and festive. Garden critter pots. Decorative your pots with mosaic representations of garden creatures like ladybugs, bees, or frogs. These whimsical design can add a touch of fun and playfulness to your garden. Remember to seal your mosaic pots with a waterproof adhesive or grout sealant to protect them from the elements and ensure their longevity. With these mosaic pots design